Installing a through-the-wall fan in a plank-constructed wall presents a few options. Firstly, consider running conduit up the garage wall. To implement this, you'll need to remove a section of the planks where the fan is to be installed. Next, install a piece of plywood or metal backing on the inside of the wall. This backing will serve to support the fan and provide a secure nail base. The conduit should then be run up the garage wall and into the fan's location. Proceed to install the fan through the wall opening and secure it to the backing. Finally, wire the fan to the power supply within the conduit. Secondly, you might consider running the wires through the ceiling. This is viable if an attic or crawl space exists above. To execute this method, run the wires from the switch location within the house to the ceiling access point. Drill a hole through the ceiling at the fan's designated location and pull the wires through. Install the fan through the wall opening and secure it to the backing. Wire the fan to the wires that are now accessible in the ceiling. Thirdly, if the wall lacks insulation, consider running the wires directly through the wall without conduit. Begin by drilling a hole through the planks. The hole should be large enough to accommodate the wires you'll be using. Feed the wires through the hole, pulling them through to the other side. As before, install the fan through the wall opening and secure it to the backing. Complete the installation by wiring the fan to the wires in the hole. The preferred method is option 1, utilizing conduit up the garage wall, as it offers the most comprehensive protection for the wires and is often the easiest to implement. However, each of the 3 options can be suitable depending on the specific circumstances of the installation.